Welcome to the course orientation video for online MAT153, College Math and Statistics. When you first click on the class in D2L, you'll be taken to this screen, the home screen. This is where important announcements for students in the class will be posted. Note, these will not automatically be emailed out, so if you'd like to be notified of them, click on your name and hit notifications. You can choose to be notified via email or text. Most of the time in this class, you'll be going to content to access the material for the course. The first time you come here, you'll be taken to the overview and the syllabus of the course. After the first time, when you hit content, it will automatically take you to the last spot you were. Please make sure, if you haven't already, you review the Start Here information. Your instructor information will tell you who is teaching the class and the best way to get a hold of them. It'll also give you a list of things to do prior to the first class. Please note, this is an online class, so we will not physically meet, so you need to complete this before you start diving into the content of the class. You've obviously found the orientation video because that's what you're watching. On the syllabus, schedule, and policy, you'll see the same syllabus that you saw on the overview, and then you'll also see the schedule and policies. This is a very important document as it provides due dates and how you'll be graded in the course. There's also a link for MyLabs Plus. This document walks you through how to log in, especially if it's the first time you've logged in. You can always click on this link or type that web address directly into your browser. When you do get to MyLabs Plus, please ensure that it says Delaware Technical Community College, especially if you've gotten here through Google. After you sign in using your username, that's the same as your Deltech username, and your password, the default is Math Student, all lowercase, or whatever you've used in the past, you'll be taken to your course home once you click on your 153 course. That will look like this. You can hit View All Assignments to see the homework, tests, and quizzes that are located on here. You'll also notice the due dates are clearly listed. If you click on eText, that's how you'll get to your online textbook. The online textbook is split into 3 sections. You can see Section 1, Section 2, and Section 3. You can click on the down arrow next to it to get to the table of contents and go wherever you need to. If you look at our homework listing, you'll see next to the homework it tells you what section in the book it corresponds to in the textbook. If we go back to D2L, you'll also see the content of the course. In Unit 1, or at the top of every unit really, you'll see a brief overview of what you'll be learning in that unit. You'll also usually see a link about Graphing Calculator and any video tutorials to help you with the topics you'll be learning. And then there will be videos that will walk you through the content. Notice it says what the name of the homework is that the video is associated with. You can see that there's also information about testing. Because this is an online class, you have 2 options to take the test. You can come to the Delaware Tech testing centers for no extra charge, or you can use an online proctoring service, Examity, that does cost money. Please make sure you review all of the necessary things for Examity before you try to register and take your first test, if that's how you're choosing to do the class tests. If you want to see your grades for the course, you can click this Grades button. Please make sure you view your grades in D2L, as they include projects and other things that are necessary for the class. I'm looking forward to a great semester.